In this video, I'm going to grill chicken two ways on my Weber grill. One way on the left is the beer can chicken, where I've got a beer can with half the beer still in it, and the chicken is sitting on it cooking vertically. You drink the other half of the beer, of course. And the other side, I've got the Spatchcock chicken, where I've cut off the backbone, splayed out the chicken, and I'm cooking it flat on the surface of the grill. Note, I'm cooking on indirect heat on my Weber grill with the charcoal on two sides of the grill, and I'm basically using it like an oven. Here's what the chicken looks like after 30 minutes. Now, both these methods have their pros and cons. For the Spatchcock method, I found that it cooked more evenly because it was opened up. It was quicker as well, and it was more stable because it didn't have to it didn't have the risk of falling over. The chicken skin was also a little bit more crispy. I guess the cons here are that you have to go to the extra step of cutting the backbone, and there were more drippings below the chicken. If that's a problem, you know, it can cause flare-ups, for example. Here's the chicken after 1 hour. The pros and cons of the beer can chicken, you know, it's a fun method. There's a lot of novelty here. You know, seeing the chicken sit on the beer can is something that your guests and your family will talk about and laugh about, so it's kind of fun. The chicken is vertically roasted, so it does come out good as well. It does take a little bit more time, though, because the beer can actually evaporates within the chicken, and it takes a little bit longer. So you'll see here, after an hour and five minutes or so, the Spatchcock chicken reached temperature at 165 degrees, but the beer can chicken was still at 142 degrees. So it takes longer. The beer can chicken is also standing up vertically, so it can fall over, the beer can spill, and then when it's done, so here's what happened with the beer can chicken. I actually had to cook it for another 25 minutes, and it was finally 165 degrees. It takes a while, it takes longer to cook, and you have to remove that hot beer can after you remove it from the grill, so those are the cons. If I were to pick, I'd pick the Spatchcock chicken if I had to pick two ways. It tasted better to me because it was cooked more evenly and it was quicker. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I also want to hear any tips on grilling chicken on the grill in the comments below. Please share them. I'd love to hear from you. And if you have time, please check out my cooking playlist. I've got other videos, cooking, grilling, lots of things on there. And check out my channel. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.